In today's video, I am going to teach you how to filter inbox messages in Meta Business Suite. Start by opening Meta Business Suite and make sure you are already logged into your account. Once you are inside, go to the Home dashboard. This is the main area where you can access your business tools and manage activity across your connected accounts. From the menu on the left side of the screen, click Inbox. This will open the messaging area where you can manage conversations from your connected Facebook page and Instagram account in one place. Take a moment to review the list of conversations that appears in the inbox. You will see messages and interactions from the accounts that are linked to your Meta Business Suite. At the top of the inbox, click the Filter button. This opens the available filtering options for your conversation list. You can use these filters to quickly find the types of messages you want to review. For example, you may see options such as unread, read, follow up, done, spam, or other available categories depending on your account setup. Click the filter you want to apply. After you select it, wait a moment for the conversation list to refresh. Meta Business Suite will update the inbox and show only the messages that match the filter you selected. This makes it easier to focus on a specific group of conversations without scrolling through everything at once. Once the filtered list appears, click on any conversation to open it. From there you can read the message, review the conversation details, and reply if needed. This is useful when you want to work through unread messages, revisit completed conversations, or check items marked for follow-up. If you want to switch to a different set of messages, go back to the filter button at the top of the inbox and click it again. Choose another filter from the list to update the view. If you want to remove the filter and return to the full inbox, select All. The conversation list will refresh again and display every message available in your connected inbox. Finally, this helps confirm that the filter has been applied correctly and that you are viewing the right set of messages. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.